If you only have 48 hours in Brussels, this video is for you. Let's go. You have more petals. I love how they put the heart. This is so funny.
Ching-ching.
After hotel, we went for a walk and I was shocked by how many artsy things there were to buy for home. Then we went for a quick lunch to this very local place in a cute little street, and I swear I ate the best mussels. I will link below. Before dinner, we went to the square and really just walked in the center. Really adored all the architecture. It was breathtaking. And then obviously we stopped in the chocolate shop because we needed to have dessert before dinner. Bistro restaurant was really good. Food was very tasty. We had a beef stew. I highly recommend this place. It's a very good environment and ambience. And then later, obviously, we stopped for the beer in a place called Delirium. So it's for all beer lovers. Welcome to Bruges. Diogo is taking photos of me while I'm recording this. It's gonna be something very bad. But we are in Bruges and it's looking really nice, and finally we have sun, so I'm super happy. I didn't have time to even chat a bit because we were busy. We were busy exploring, but now we're gonna explore Bruges. I'll do some videos and I'll show you some cool places to go to eat, obviously, as usual. So stay around and let's go to explore Bruges. Bruges? Or you pronounce how you want to pronounce. Let's go. Onion soup with cheese toast inside. Rabbit and beef. We're going to find a boat. Well, this is the queue to the boat tour. Beguinage. Yeah. It's so fun. Tea time. Alright, hello everyone. So today is actually our last day here in Brussels, and actually I just wanted to say hi because I did not have a chance to speak or to film myself a lot because we've just been so busy exploring the city. And yesterday we went to Bruges as well, which was awesome. I much more prefer Bruges than Brussels because it's so vibey, but Brussels is cool too. So if you're coming for 2 days, I would really highly recommend sparing some time and going to Bruges because it's beautiful. It's a UNESCO heritage site and it's stunning. Also, Brussels is so cool for like vintage shopping and even thrifting. I bought a really cool vintage sort of like fur coat, which I absolutely love. It's the best purchase ever. The weather doesn't seem to be great, but to be honest with you, it's fine. And today we're going a little bit down south from the center because it's a very cool area, and they have Sunday market. It's very vibey, very busy, and then we're going for lunch. This is my outfit of today, and then I'm also wearing my new coat, obviously. Hotel is honestly 10 out of 10. Service is incredible, and I don't want to show you a mess, but the room is super spacious, and you have like a little area here which is super cool, and then another window, and it's like so poetic. Look at my new baby. Look, I think it's so cool. In fact, it's awesome. Yep, 10 out of 10. There are so many shops, guys, like literally so many shops for women and men, and it's incredible. Like they have really cool things. This is a Horta museum where you can see architecture. Very pretty. And we're gonna go to two hotels designed and inspired by this Flemish architecture. And ignore my fabulous outfit because it's freezing cold. Lovely. And this is the outfit of the day. No, but it's actually really nice. It's a very cool city. We just stopped for coffee. We had a cool time drinking coffee. Coffee culture is very big here, so you will find really cool places for coffee everywhere. We will find lunch spot very soon as well, and now we're just gonna explore a bit more architecture, and then we will move towards center because we want to go to the sculpture, the boy peeing sculpture. I don't know what's the name of the sculpture, but we want to go there, and then we will see what we're gonna do. Oh, and we found a booby trap. Wow. So pretty. This is Hotel Savoy. So what's the name? Savoy. And it's also same architecture. Victor Horta. Also a really nice cafe next to all these architectural masterpieces. Apparently this is the best coffee place. We want to find the most traditional Brussels fries. This is the place. Pretty flagy. It's in Eggshells area, and there's always a queue here.
best street for vintage wines. Lovely, lovely. Is this my one? No, it's not, but it looks good.
Hello, and guess who's back? It's me. I'm back to London, and it was an amazing trip. And 48 hours in Brussels, in Belgium in general, going only to 2 places, it's enough. I loved this trip. It was so easy. We took the train took us 2 hours train to go to Brussels, and we spent the whole day there exploring. It was really, really, really nice. The weather was awful, but it didn't stop us from having a great time. Places are there great. Coffee culture is like, wow. Every single place you go, you have amazing coffee places or tea rooms. Beer lovers, chocolate lovers, waffle lovers, it's a place for you. What shocked me a lot, literally every single corner was packed with thrift shops, vintage shops. I wanted to go to every single one of them. However, the purpose of this trip was completely different, so I didn't really have time to go thrifting, which I love to do when I travel. I love to discover these unique kind of cool vintage stores. I went to few. I actually went to Hermes vintage store, which was way overpriced, and it was ridiculous, so I did not buy anything. Everything for the interior, like interior design is big, art is big, so again I was stopping myself from going there because I cannot bring furniture back to London, but if I could, I would. So if you like art lover, if you love vintage shopping, and this is definitely a city for you. Also architecture, I adore architecture and photography, so it was really nice to go and observe and find the Art Nouveau architecture. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's Nouveau architecture. It was mainly created by famous architect Victor Horta, and we went to actually 3 different locations to see his work. So they have a Tassel Hotel, Solvay, and then they have Horta Museum as well, where you can find his piece of work. And it was stunning because it's a lot of iron. It's very like organic forms and shapes. It's super unique, and it's sort of like the way to describe his work is very innovative. So he brings the light and brings spaces in a completely different dimensions, if that makes sense, which was super cool to see. And then following day we went to Bruges. Bruges is a must. You cannot skip Bruges, even if you have 2 days. Spare 1 day to go to Bruges because it's stunning. It's UNESCO heritage site. The whole city center it's surrounded by canals, and you can take the boat. You can go by boat. You don't really need to book restaurants and cafes and places to go, because honestly food there is great. You have a lot of options. You have a lot of different cuisines, and we wanted to go and taste obviously traditional cuisine, which was actually really close to Lithuanian cuisine, so I enjoyed my home food. And I'm gonna link all the places we've been that I really highly recommend. I only probably don't recommend one, which was nothing really special, and I will put the other ones down below, but honestly 48 hours is enough. It's a great city. Go and enjoy and have fun, and I'll have my coffee. See ya. Also, I nearly forgot, but this is a must. So one thing that you need to bring from Brussels is this. And honestly, thank me later, because you will get hooked and addicted. This is so good. And they have this in supermarkets as well. I love this so much. I brought this to Ruta and we literally killed this pack in like 2 seconds. So it's really good. Highly recommended by Dignitas.